In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar for productivity. By the end, you'll have a clean, color-coded system, smarter defaults, and a daily plan that practically runs itself. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left sidebar, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main parts of your life. Think work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal and health. Give each one a distinct color so you can glance at your week and instantly understand what's happening. Pick high contrast colors that are easy on the eyes and avoid using the same shade twice. This simple setup is the foundation for a visually organized week. Next, click the gear icon and open Settings, then go to Event Settings. Set a default duration that matches how you actually work. 30 minutes for quick tasks, 60 for focus sessions. Add 2 default reminders, like 10 minutes and 1 hour before, and choose whether you want email or pop-up notifications. These defaults apply to every new event you create and dramatically cut down on missed tasks. Now, time block your day. Instead of listing to-dos, place them on your calendar as appointments. For example, block 8 to 9 for admin tasks, 9 to 11 for deep work, 1 to 2 for client calls, and 4 to 5 for content creation. Drag blocks to fit your energy peaks, and leave short buffers between them to handle spillover. Treat these blocks like real meetings. When plans change, move the block rather than deleting it so your priorities stay visible. Turn repeating work into recurring events. Open an event, set it to repeat, and choose the frequency. Schedule weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym sessions. Add an end date if needed. This automates your routine and keeps you consistent without extra effort. Protect your attention with focus time, which can automatically decline meeting invites during your deep work windows. Use out of office to block off vacations or personal time and have invites declined for you. Connect tasks so quick to-dos appear on your calendar and in the sidebar, and attach them to time blocks to ensure they get done. Finally, sync across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and let Calendar pull events from Gmail, so invites and bookings appear automatically. Connect Zoom or Meet, so meeting links are added and updated in one place. Inside each event, use the description to store the agenda, keynotes, links to video calls and documents, and a simple checklist. Keeping everything in the event means less searching and smoother meetings. That's your productivity-ready Google Calendar. Simple to set up, powerful every day.